Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learn. In this video of Standard 9th Science and Technology, we are going to see the question answers of Chapter 6 Classification of Plants. If you like this video, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notifications. So let's proceed. Match the proper terms from column A and C with the description in column B. Answer: Thallophyta. These plants mainly grow in water. Algae. Bryophyta. These plants need water for reproduction. Moss. Pteridophyta. Tissues are present for conduction of food and water. Fern. Gymnosperms. No natural covering on seed. Cycas. Angiosperms. Seeds are formed in fruits. Tamarind. Question 2. Complete the sentences by filling in the blanks and explain those statements. A. Thallophyta plants have soft and fiber-like body. B. Bryophyta is called the amphibian of the plant kingdom. C. In pteridophytes, asexual reproduction occurs by spore formation and sexual reproduction occurs by zygote formation. D. Male and female flowers of the gymnosperms are borne on different sporophylls of the same plant. Question number 3. Answer the following questions in your own words. A. Write the characteristics of subkingdom Phanerogams. Plants which have special structures for reproduction and produce seeds are called phanerogams. In these plants, after the process of reproduction, seeds are formed which contain the embryo and stored food. During germination of the seed, the stored food is used for initial growth of the embryo. Depending upon whether the seeds are enclosed in a fruit or not, phanerogams are further classified into gymnosperms and angiosperms. Distinguish between monocots and dicots. Seed, dicot, two-cotyledonous, monocot, single-cotyledon. Root, well-developed primary root or taproot. Under monocots, it is fibrous roots. The stem of dicots are strong, hard, example banyan tree. In case of monocots, it is hollow, false, or disc-like. The leaf of dicots shows reticulate venation, and the leaf of monocot shows parallel venation. The flowers in dicot have 4 or 5 parts or with the multiples, that is tetrameris or pentameris. Flowers with 3 parts or multiples of 3, that is trimeris, are found in monocotyledonous plants. Write a paragraph in your own words about the ornamental plants called ferns. First, ferns are ornamental plants which belong to subkingdom Cryptogams and division Pteridophyta. They have well-developed roots and stem. They are green and have feathery structures, hence ornamental. They grow in moist and shady places. They do not bear flowers and fruits. They produce asexually by spore formation and sexually by zygote formation. They have well-developed conducting system. Sketch, label and describe the Spirogyra. So here is a diagram of Spirogyra, neat and labeled diagram. Spirogyra belongs to division Thallophyta. These plants grow in water. They do not have specific parts like roots, stem, leaves, flowers. They are autotrophic due to the presence of chlorophyll. They may be unicellular or multicellular and microscopic or large. Some of these are found in fresh water while some are found in saline water. They usually have a soft and fiber-like body. Characteristics of plants belonging to division Bryophyta. This group of plants is called the amphibian of the plant kingdom because they grow in moist soil but need water for reproduction. These plants are thalloid, multicellular, and autotrophic. They reproduce by spore formation. The structure of the plant body of bryophytes is flat, ribbon-like, long, without true root, stem, and leaves. Instead, they have stem-like or leaf-like parts and root-like rhizoids. They do not have specific tissues for conduction of food and water. Examples are moss, Ophiunaria, Mertensia, Anthracis, Riccia, etc. Which criteria are used for the classification of plants? Explain with reasons. Answer. The criteria used for classification of plants are as follows. First, presence or absence of organs. Presence or absence of separate conducting tissues for conduction of food and water. Whether the plants bear seeds or not. Whether the seeds are enclosed in a fruit or not, depending upon the number of cotyledons in the seeds, and presence or absence of flowers, fruits, and seeds. Sketch and label the following figures. Mertensia. It belongs to subkingdom Cryptogams and division Bryophyta. It grows on damp ground and old walls during rainy season, forming a green carpet. The thallus bears number of rhizoids on lower surface. On the upper surface, the thallus shows stalk bearing a capsule which contains spores. The capsule at maturity liberates spores for asexual reproduction. Second, Funaria. It is the most commonly found bryophyte on old damp walls during rainy season. It is small and consists of minute green leaf-like scales at the apex. On the lower side, it bears a number of slender multicellular thread-like rhizoids which perform the function of roots. It reproduces sexually by the fusion of gametes. This results in the development of the plant body, that is sporophyte. Sporophyte shows the presence of stalk bearing capsule which contains spores. Capsules at maturity liberate the spores for asexual reproduction. Third, Spirogyra. Spirogyra belongs to the division Thallophyta. These plants grow mainly in water. They do not have specific parts like roots, stem, leaves, flowers. They are autotrophic due to presence of chlorophyll. They may be unicellular or multicellular and microscopic or large. Some of these are found in fresh water while some are found in saline water. They usually have a soft and fiber-like body. Fourth, ferns. Ferns are a big group of highly advanced cryptogams and are widely distributed all over the world. They grow abundantly in cool, shady, moist places. Roots are adventitious, that is fibrous, growing from the underground stem. Leaves are well developed on the stem, that is rhizome. They show presence of a well developed conducting tissues for food and water. They reproduce asexually by spore formation and sexually by zygote formation. They do not bear flowers and fruits. Some ferns are used as medicines, food, and as ornamental plants. Thank you.